Welcome to Math with Miss V. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do long division. Let's start with this example. 83,595 divided by 5. Divisor is one-digit number, but the dividend is more than one-digit number. So what we're gonna do, we will divide digit by 5. Okay, in an addition video, you remember I told you to start from the smallest number to the biggest number, from the right to the left. In a division problem, we are doing opposite. We're gonna start from the biggest number to the smallest, and from the left to the right. So first we will divide 8 by 5. Okay, 5 goes to 8 one times. 1 times 5 is 5. We will subtract to get the remainder. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, we will bring down the next digit. 5 goes to 33 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. We will subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the remainder is going to be 3. Let's bring down the next digit. 5 goes to 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. We will subtract and get the 0. The next digit. 5 goes to 9 one times. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. The remainder will be 4. We'll bring down the last digit. 5 goes to 45 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. We will subtract and get the 0 remainder. So 83,595 divided by 5 will be equal to 16,719. Let's try another example. 13,040 divided by 4. Okay. Again, the same way we will divide digit by digit. 4 goes to 1 0 times. I'm gonna put the 0. So because 4 goes to 1 0 times, I have to divide 13 by 4. Okay, I'll get the next digit. 13 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. We will subtract and get the 1 remainder. You're gonna ask me why we put the 0. Because when I'm taking 13 divided by 4 is 3. 3 has to be on the top of the 3. That's the reason. Later on, we will erase the 0 because number never can start with 0. Let's continue. Okay, 13 minus 12 is 1. We will bring down the next digit. 4 goes to 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. We will subtract to get the remainder. 10 minus 8 is 2. Let's bring down the next digit. 4 goes to 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. We will get the 0 remainder. I have one more digit, but if I'm gonna bring it down, it doesn't make sense because 4 goes to 0 It's like I can't do that. 0 divided by 4 is 0. So let's look at this number. If I'm gonna close the 0, it's 3,000. It's 1,304 divided by 4, which is 326. If I'm gonna open the 0, it's gonna be 10 times bigger, the dividend. So the divisor has to be 10 times bigger too. So I'm gonna just bring the 0 up. So dividend 10 times bigger, divisor 10 times bigger. Of course, I'm gonna erase the 0 on the front of our quotient because the number never can start with 0. So 13,040 divided by 4 is equal to 3,260. Let's try another example. 77,048 divided by 8. The same way as previous ones, 8 goes to 7 0 times. I'm gonna put the 0 on the top of the 7 because I'm dividing the 7. Okay, now I will take another digit. 77 divided by 8 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. So we will subtract to get the remainder. 7 minus 2 is 5. I will bring down the next digit. 8 goes to 50 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 50 minus 48 will be 2. I will bring down the next digit. 8 goes to 24 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Let's subtract it. We will get the 0 remainder. Bring down the next digit. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. So 77,048 divided by 8 is equal to 9,631. Don't forget to erase the 0 because number never can start with 0. Let's try another example. 14,931 divided by 9. Again, the same way. 9 goes to 1 0 times. We will take the next digit. 9 goes to 14 1 times. 1 times 9 is 9. We will subtract to get the remainder. 14 minus 9 is 5. I will bring down the next digit. 9 goes to 59 6 times. 6 times 9 is 54. Let's subtract to get the remainder. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Let's bring down the next digit. 9 goes to 53 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Let's subtract to get the remainder. Okay, in a subtraction video, I told you how to do in an easy way subtraction, that you're not gonna cross out the numbers and put numbers on the top, that it's gonna be easy for you in a long division. So if you did not watch my subtraction video, I will suggest you to do that. So what we were doing, 3 minus 5, I can't do that. I'm gonna borrow from the tens place. This is gonna become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5, because there is a borrowing sign on the top of this 5, it's one digit less. It's 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Let's bring down the next digit. 9 goes to 81. 9 times 9 is 81. We will subtract and get the 0 remainder. Let's erase the 0 on the front of our answer, because you know number never can start with 0. Okay, so 14,931 divided by 9 is equal to 1,659. Thanks for watching. See you next time.